Hi everyone, welcome to Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you a really cool design we can use perfectly for big company work. And we're going to use this beautiful Anthurium Black Queen. And I really love Anthuriums. We're going to work with all kinds of black materials. And of course this Anthurium is our star for this nice design. I have a beautiful piece of wood that has been laying in the fire, so it's completely burned. I already drilled some holes where I can put some tubes in. And then we're going to drill some holes. So I have this beautiful material. This is kelp. It's coming from the sea. And basically I'm just going to create a nice structure, placing them in different directions. As you can see, we have some glass tubes inside, so we can add more flowers. So we have attached the kelp to our sticks, and then we cut off the ends of the tie ribs. So the water tubes are filled, and then I have this material, and also this is coming from the sea. It's basically seaweed, and we're just going to create a little structure, clamping it, waving it in between. We have this beautiful Black Queen Anthurium. It's a really strong one. This is perfect also for company work, of course, because they last very long. And of course I told you already that we work with seaweed and you can make it wet. So I have a few that are wet. Go around one or two like this and let it hang to create almost the vertical lines. And when it dries up, of course the color changes back again. So the design is finished. Beautiful Anthuriums, the Black Queen. And I think in this way presented, it really is a queen. And of course we're always happy to see your version of the technique and the design. And of course we hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.